Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by importing your clip and choosing the exact segment with motion. This reduces processing time and prevents blur bleed. Once done, set the project frame rate to match the clip, 24, 30, or 60 FPS, because matching preserves natural motion. Make sure to zoom the timeline to 1 for precise frame cuts. This helps you pick start and end points for the effect. Now, position the playhead at the first frame where motion begins. That frame becomes your anchor. You duplicate the clip layer and offset the top copy forward by 1 to 3 frames to create a natural smear. This imitates frame blending without Pro Tools. Then reduce the top layer opacity to about 50% and experiment between 30 and 70%. This balances clarity versus blur. Once satisfied, trim overlapping sections so the combined duration matches the original clip. Make sure to preview at real-time speed. Slow playback can deceive your perception of the blur strength and timing. You finish by refining the composite. Apply a slight directional transform to the top layer if you need stronger motion in one axis, and nudge opacity or offset until it reads natural. Once done, export with the same FPS and resolution as the source to avoid stutter. If you see jitter or ghosting, make a key troubleshooting change. Revert to a 1-frame offset or lower opacity by 10%. That usually removes harsh double images. Finally, compare exported result to the original for confirmation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.